Every damn year it's the same thing. Rivalry between Max and Tim. They're gonna start bickering over something. Tim's gonna say he's more American. Max is gonna get upset. They're gonna fight. Not this year. This year we're gonna settle it once for all.
Do you know what? Do you know?
Yo,
Hey,
let's settle this on the track.
you're on,
Right now.
buddy. You're on.
Come on.